So here is the next problem that you need to solve. Take a string and print the number of vowels present in that string. So that is A, E, I, O, U. Please consider also the capital A and small a, both are different, but still we need to print that number of vowels in that string. See if you can solve this problem and continue for the solution. I'm going to create a new file. I'll say string ex2.c. So first we will declare a string character s of some 20 characters. I'll take, read the string, enter the text, scanf %s, comma s. Now we just need to count the number of vowels present in this string. So for that we need to iterate through individual characters of that string. So I'll say I and count. So I'll begin I equal to count equal to 0. This is also a valid statement in C language where it initializes both the variables to 0. Now both variables begin with 0. So if you are confused, don't worry. So I will just place it as I equal to count equal to 0. Now how long we can move inside the string? So s of I is not equal to /0. Now for each character, this is like for each character in the string. Now for each character, if, and also make sure that I increment I. Now for each character in the string, if I is either E or I or O or U, then I will actually consider, I will increment the count. So for that you can say if s of I is equal to small a or s of I is equal to capital A, and again or E or I or O or U. So for this the if condition becomes slightly clumsy. So I can use the switch condition here. Switch s of I. Now in case if it is equal to small a, now in case if it is equal to capital A, here I am not using the break statement. So if any case matches till the break statement, that will continue, control will continue. Case this is equal to small e or capital E. Now in all these cases I will increment the count and I will put a break. Break is also not required because that is the end of the switch. So here we are using the special property of the switch where it will continue with the case till it encounters break. For all these cases, this is the common logic to do. Now finally, so for each character we are checking if it is an vowel, then I am incrementing the count, otherwise not, and then I move on to the next character and see if it is not equal to /0, then I will check if that character is a vowel, then I will increment the count. So this is a simple logic. Now finally, number of found are %d and just print the count. So that's it. Now let's compile and see the outcome. I'll say sample text, number of vowels found are 3. I'll say sample text, again the number of vowels found are 3. Now this is fine. We can also do one more thing. Instead of comparing with both the cases, I can make it an uppercase and then check only with upper cases, or I can convert this to lowercase and check only with the lowercase characters. For this, I need to include the function header ctype.h, and I will say to upper of the character. So we convert it to one case in order to reduce these many cases. That's all. Let's see the outcome. So here we didn't put the parenthesis here because this closes this one and this closes this one. You can see we converted individual character to uppercase and we matched with only the uppercase. This is also fine.